Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to a journey that will transform the way you approach trading in the digital frontier. Have you ever wondered how the most successful traders stay ahead of the game, making precise moves that seem almost supernatural? Well, today, you're about to unlock the secret behind their success, and it's all thanks to the incredible fusion of two cutting-edge worlds, cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. Imagine having a powerful ally, an intelligent force that analyzes market trends, identifies opportunities, and executes trades faster than the blink of an eye. Picture yourself riding the waves of the crypto market with unparalleled precision, maximizing your gains while minimizing risks. It's not science fiction, it's the future of trading, and we're about to dive deep into the mesmerizing realm of crypto trading using AI. In this video, we're not just scratching the surface, we're peeling back the layers to reveal the game-changing strategies employed by seasoned traders who harness the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, get ready to witness the convergence of technology and finance, unlocking doors to financial success that were once considered unreachable. Join me as we explore the revolutionary tools, the groundbreaking algorithms, and the fascinating insights that AI brings to the crypto trading table. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the basics, but you'll be armed with the knowledge to embark on your own AI-driven trading adventure. So, hit that subscribe button, buckle up, and let's embark on this thrilling journey together. The future of crypto trading awaits, and you won't want to miss a single moment. Let's dive in. So first of all, you have to open Google Chrome and search here, .coinmarketcap. After searching, this website will come in front of you. You have to open it. If you don't know what this website is for, then let me tell you. CoinMarketCap is a leading website for tracking cryptocurrency prices, market capitalization, and other related data. Launched in 2013, it has become the go-to resource for both individual investors and institutional players in the crypto space. Here's a rundown of its key features. CoinMarketCap offers real-time price information for thousands of cryptocurrencies, along with their market capitalization, circulating supply, and trading volume. You can sort and filter coins by various criteria, making it easy to find the ones you're interested in. Each coin has its own dedicated page with interactive charts and technical analysis tools. These charts can be customized to track price movements over different time frames, and the technical indicators help identify potential trading opportunities. The website features a news section with the latest updates from the crypto world, including market news, project announcements, and regulatory developments. And in a new tab, you have to open Google Bard. You must know this tool. It is a tool of Google launched compared to ChatGPT, and one of its features is that it also gives information of what happened recently compared to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT only gives information up to 2021, and Google Bard is much more advanced tool than ChatGPT, so we are going to do profitable trading today by using it. Here you have to give it a prompt, which I put in the description box so you can see it from there. So right here, what do you think which coin of crypto up according to the CoinMarketCap? So now look here, it will tell us those coins that are going to profit, and they will be very cheap, and it tells us those coins that are often in profit, and they have 20% chance of loss, and even if they ever go to loss, they come back to profit after a while. Now we check that the coins he told us are really profitable or not, so we go to CoinMarketCap again. We'll open it and copy the name of a coin from Google Bard and paste it here. So I copy this one coin, so you can buy it, and when it goes to a little more profit, you can sell it. I hope you liked this method. If you liked it, then subscribe to our channel so that such informative videos will continue to reach you easily.